In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Word document in Google Docs. This process is straightforward and allows you to seamlessly work on your Word files within Google Workspace, offering you the flexibility of cloud-based editing and storage. Let's begin by navigating to your Google Drive. Open a web browser on your computer and head over to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This step is essential as it ensures that you have access to your personal Drive space where all your files are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose File Upload. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, you can drag and drop the Word document directly from your computer into the Google Drive window. Both options effectively get your document into the cloud. After uploading, Google Drive will take a moment to save your document. Once this process is completed, locate the file in your Drive. It should be visible among your other files. When you find your document, double-click it to open a preview. This preview allows you to see the content of the file without immediate editing capabilities. To start editing your document, look for the Open with Google Docs option at the top of the preview window. Clicking this will convert and open your Word document in Google Docs, enabling you to make changes right away. Once inside Google Docs, you can edit the document as needed. The original format of the file, indicated by the .docx extension next to the document name, remains intact. Google Docs saves all your changes automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing any progress. These changes are updated in real time on the original file stored in your Google Drive. This process is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate with others, as Google Docs offers excellent tools for sharing and simultaneous editing. Whether you're working on a group project or just need a convenient way to access your files on the go, Google Docs provides a versatile and user-friendly platform. You've successfully learned how to open and edit a Word document in Google Docs. Remember, with each step, from uploading to editing, you're harnessing the power of cloud technology to work more efficiently and flexibly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials.